Hey everyone, it's Len from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do an ABS sensor on 2010 Nissan Altima. It's going to be a very simple job and I'm going to show you how to do it. If you need this or any other quality part, you're always welcome to come down to 1AAuto.com. So we're going to be using our 21mm socket to remove all 5 of these lug nuts. Really all we're going to do at this point though is just make sure that we have the majority of the weight of the vehicle off the wheel and off the ground, with the wheel still on the ground, and we're just going to loosen these up. Just a little bit. Now we're going to continue removing the rest of these lug nuts. The second to last one we'll just leave on a couple threads. The reason for leaving this on a couple threads is so the wheel doesn't fall off and hurt anybody. Safety first is the #1 concern here at 1A Auto. Now holding the wheel, you can go ahead and take off the last one. Sometimes they can be a little stiff. There it is. Those off safely. You can remove the center cover, hubcap, whatever you want to call it. Pull this off. Put aside in a safe area. So next we're going to go ahead and remove this 10mm head right here for the ABS wire. I'm going to see if I can wiggle it around. Sometimes they're stuck. We got that out. Now to replace it, we're just going to come around, remove it from all of its anchor points. There's that. And we can go ahead and remove this pin right here. It's just a little plastic push pin. Pull this aside, making sure we watch our eyes. Up inside here, you'll see that there's a little clip. I'm not sure if you can see it with the video. You push that in. And here's our ABS wire. If you need this or any other part, you can always come to 1AAuto.com. So now we're going to go ahead and install our ABS sensor. Just going to slide it in. Fits in there nice. There should be a slot right in that wheel bearing that it fits through. If for some reason it doesn't go in nice and easy, there might have been an accident where the wheel bearing was put in incorrectly or upside down. It's very possible. Happens. I'm going to go ahead and snug this up. Doesn't need to be very tight. Give it a little tug. That feels pretty good. We'll come around. Put it in the little slot on the strut. Come around the front side. Put it in the slot on the other side. Come around the back. I'll move this caliper out of the way so we can see. Slide it into the body. Behind here. Let's see if I can pull it away enough to see. There it is, right here. We're going to listen for a click sound. We can slide it in. See if I can get it lined up. And there's the click. Give it a little tug. Feels great. Now we can go ahead and put in our body fender pin. And that's it for the ABS sensor on this. So now we're going to get the wheel up on here. We have one lug nut in hand. Our hubcap is safe. We can get to it easily. I'm just going to grab this wheel. I'm going to roll it up my leg so I can use my ab muscles to lift it up and not my back. Save your back. Going right up. Start it on there. Hold it tight. Grab your hubcap. You'll notice that there's a hole right there for your valve stem. Should line up fairly easily. There we are. Holding pressure. We're just going to start one lug nut. So now we're just going to snug these up. Go around. We don't need to go too tight because we're going to be torquing these to 83 foot-pounds. We're using our 21mm socket we used to remove the lug nuts. Now we're going to get this tire so it's on the ground at least touching so it won't spin, and then we'll torque it. So now we're going to go ahead and torque these down to our 83 foot-pounds. We're going to go in a crisscross pattern, making a star on this particular wheel. If you had 6 lug nuts, it might be a little different, or even 7 might be difficult to figure out, but I'm sure we can do it. I'm going to go around one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.